Hi, morning, or afternoon. The lovely ladies are busy here, guys. They're gonna fix a leaking tap. We are trying to. We managed to find the dripping, drop by drop. So we gotta stop the dripping drops. So Angel and her mommy are gonna do their best. Gonna do their best now to stop it. Very clever, classy, clever ladies, guys. They can fix anything that moves. Anything that moves. That door there, Angel's mommy put in a door for us 2 days ago. Can you believe it? Functioning door. She put a piece of plastic there and she, I don't know where she found it. Now we got a functioning door, guys. Angel's mom put it there. We never had a door before. Never had a door before. Yeah, let's see what. I'm afraid to get in the way of these ladies, guys. They're so clever. So very clever. Angel is cutting it. The mommy is fixing the tap there with a piece of plastic. I don't know if it keeps on dripping. No, I don't know if it's going to work. I think we need to get a rubber or a stopper or something. Maybe at the hardware they have stopper.
Yeah, there is like that.
Yeah. Angel said we should get a stopper at the hardware. Still dripping. Angel, what do you think? Still dripping. But plastic is too thin, yeah? Plastic is too thin. It's not gonna work, baby. We need something to put inside the stopper.
Still not.
It's not gonna work, huh? Stopper.
Yeah, like a lid.
Lid, yeah. Can get at the hardware?
Yeah.
What size?
Like they said, you cannot stop the fluid.
Yeah. Okay, I'll try and ask at the hardware if they have any. Yeah? Careful, baby. And so we're gonna go to the hardware, guys. Try and get a. Okay. I go hardware shop. Okay. Hardware. Go to the hardware. No other way, guys. No other way. We tried our best, but we were defeated, or we are getting defeated here. But I managed to fix that tap. But we still need to. Sadly, we have to. The dog is really sick. I've been trying to get the dog not to go into the streets, play with other dogs. But to all my efforts, now it's lying there. I think it's probably going to be dead by tonight. Parlo, what do you call that? Parlo.
Maybe you can find dog medicine.
For Parlo?
Dog medicine.
But the first question they will say is bring the dog there. And then they will want to keep it there in the dog hospital. Last time I talked to them, they want 5,000 pesos a day, I think, something like that.
There's nothing we do. We just wait till he die.
Huh?
We just wait until he die.
We can try and find, but okay, I will stop there. Let's see. There is a pet shop. I saw one. Where is that? Tomorrow. Yeah. Doesn't look too good for that dog. He was playing with the other dogs in the street every night. Wouldn't listen now. Porlo. Okay, do you want to go now? Shall we go there? Try to find. Okay. Very quiet today. No orders yet. No orders yet. No order. Oops. No order yet, guys. Oh my God, guys! Let me show you something really weird.
What?
I want to show them. Look at this. You guys know what it says? Guess what? Guess what, guys? This was last night. So imagine how's my head.
42 cans.
42 Okay, guys. So we're gonna have to hurry now quickly to find some medicine for the dog, if possible. And then the leaking tap. Okay, guys. Cheers. Bye bye. Enjoy.
Bye, guys.
Okay. Oops. Where do we stop?